Compound interest is one of the most powerful money concepts you can learn. Since you're interested in investing and building wealth, understanding this will really help you. What is compound interest? Very simple. Compound interest means you earn interest on your money, and then you earn interest on that interest too. It's like your money having babies, and then those babies having babies. Simple example. Let's say you invest $100. You earn 10% interest per year. Year 1. 10% of $100 equals $10. Now you have $110. Year 2. You don't earn interest on $100 anymore. You earn 10% on $110. 10% of $110 equals $11. Now you have $121. See what happened? You earned $10 the first year, $11 the second year. The interest is growing because your money is growing. That's compound interest. Why it's powerful. The longer you leave your money invested, the faster it grows. Here's a powerful comparison. If you invest $100 at 10% for 1 year gives $110. $100 at 10% for 10 years gives about $259. $100 at 10% for 30 years gives about $1,745. You didn't add more money. Time did the work. The things that make compound interest strong. 1. Time most important. Interest rate. 2. Consistency adding money regularly. Even small amounts grow big if you give them time. Since you asked before about investing. Small amounts, this is why. Starting early matters more than starting big. Real life example. Many investors like Warren Buffett became extremely wealthy largely because he started investing as a teenager. He let compound interest work for over 60 years. Time plus patience equals powerful growth. Simple formula, don't worry, very easy. Future money equals your money times 1 plus interest rate, in where n equals number of years. But honestly, the main idea is this. The longer your money stays invested, the faster it grows. Please allow compound interest works for you forever. Please subscribe for more great wealthy content. And if something escape your mind, kindly let me know on my comment section. The names still remain Obi the Generous Man. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.